In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile picture on Monopoly Go 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to look for so your profile looks just the way you want it. First, inside Monopoly Go, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the three-line menu icon. This opens the main menu with your account options. On that menu, tap your current profile picture. That takes you straight to your profile screen where all the customization options live and where you'll make the actual change. On the profile screen, you'll see a selection of in-game avatars. These are the official Monopoly Go images, clean, consistent, and designed to fit perfectly in the game. Browse through them and pick the one that best matches your style. The game typically applies your choice right away, so you can see how it looks without extra steps. If you change your mind, you can come back and switch to a different one at any time. If you want to use your Facebook profile picture instead, you can do that too. You'll need to have your Facebook account connected to Monopoly Go through the Settings menu. From the menu area, go into Settings and connect Facebook, then follow the prompts to allow access to your public profile. This is what lets the game pull in your current Facebook photo. Once that's connected, return to your profile and choose the Facebook option to use that image. It should update almost instantly. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a moment or reopen the profile screen to refresh the view. A few tips to keep in mind. The in-game avatars are the most reliable if you want a quick, hassle-free update with a consistent look across devices. Using your Facebook photo is great if you want friends to recognize you easily, but remember that your Facebook profile image is managed on Facebook itself. So if you change it there later, you may want to revisit your Monopoly Go profile to keep things in sync. Also, if you're cautious about privacy, check the game's settings to review what information is shared when connecting Facebook.